Guys, welcome back to the Line app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add shipping time on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. This case, you might be wondering, how do you add your shipping time here on Shopify? Well, the thing here is the option for us to add shipping time on Shopify does not actually include it, or is not included on the default functionality that Shopify has to offer. But the thing here is you can actually install apps here to add further functionalities, and that includes adding a shipping time on your store. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to install that app. Let's go and click on settings at the bottom left here, and you want to go to apps and sales channel, and from here you want to go to Shopify App Store. Now in here, what we need to do next is we just need to basically type in the following, which is going to be estimated shipping time. Now from here, it should give you different apps that you could use here. So there's going to be a lot of apps that you could get here, even newer ones. So in this case, you could go ahead and choose whatever you want here. So the steps might be different, but the general idea here are the same. So in this case, maybe I want to use the estimated delivery date plus here, or you could even use the estimated delivery date ETA. You could even use the paid ones here if you want, which includes more functionality. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on the estimated delivery date here. Let's go and click on install. And from here, what we need to do next is we just need to click on the option that says install to approve the installation here. Now, once the app is installed, we need to set it up. So how do we set it up? So in this case, it's going to give us different steps here on how to set it up. So don't worry about it. So first things first is we need to enable the plus. So in this case, the actual app here. Let's go and click on enable. And as you can see, it is now enabled. Now also, it's also not defined on your team app extension. So in this case, you go ahead and click on the activate app extension. It should open up your editor here. And what we need to do is we just need to make sure that this option is actually enabled. As you can see, it is now enabled here. So again, make sure it's actually enabled. And as you can see, it's already, or the app itself is now added into our store, which is something really cool. Let's go and click on save at the top right here to confirm. And from here on, we are good. So let's go ahead and go back. Now from here, we can go ahead and start editing whatever we want here. So in this case, for example, if you want to change the text here, but make sure to not delete any of the following tags here. So if you do see this specific section that has the curly brackets on it, these are tags that actually transmit information. So in this case, it will replace any information that is in this tag here. So in this case, it will add the country flag, the country name here, and the order with the next cutoff time, and all those information or tags that we have here. But in this case, you can change the other text that you see here. So if you want to modify that specifically for your, in this case, your store. And also, if you want to view the other tags that is available here to use, you can go ahead and read further on the following. Now, also, if you want to have custom out of stock message here, so if you want to add that, and you can go ahead and select this one. And you also have the progress bar widget here. So if you want to add a basic or even advanced, but in this case, let's go ahead and choose the basic here. And you can go and change the order status title here, order ready, order delivered, if you want to change those. Now in this case, we actually have the preview of our widget. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So if you want to have a quick look on it, you also have your settings here, which allows you to basically allow the date range settings here. So if, for example, if you want to enable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but if you want to also include Sunday and Saturday, you can go ahead and enable that. Also, we have the order delivery days range here. So in this case, you could add the minimum days, the maximum days, and yeah. Also, you have the order ready working days here. So if you want to disable Sunday and Saturday, you could go ahead and do that. So you could also change the date range here as well. So you also have the holidays, date settings, your calendar settings here if you want to enable that. And also you have our appearance if you want to change the appearance of your widget. Also have the advanced options here, which in this case you have the checkout configuration if you want to. You also have the other option here, so if you want to add custom CSS. And also if you want to view the different products here, so products here, as you can see right now, this is what's going to look like. So in this case, you could go ahead and click one of the products here. For example, I want to click on our test product here. And from here, what we need to do is you can add them to categories if you want to. But if you want to go to category, if you go to categories here, you have the option to create new categories if you want to. But then again, this is just additional stuff to actually manage your products. But you could also click on edit here and change the actual delivery. Like for example, if you want to change the if you have a specific widget, if you want to specify a widget for this one, you go and click on add here. So yeah, so if you want to add like specific widgets on it, you go and do that as well. And if you want to view or upgrade your plan, you could go to plans here and get the upgrade plans here. But yeah, so once you're done here, what we need to do is you want to make sure that everything is fine. So let's just revisit this. If you do see it, you need to visit it. And in this case, I think we've already enabled this one, as you can see right now. You don't need to change a few things, but in this case, when you go to your store here, let's go to our store and visit one of our products here. Let's go and open this one. It should now show us our shipping date or our shipping time here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Learn App. Thank you for watching.